Choosing the right cooking oil is crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. The oil we use for cooking plays an important role in managing cholesterol levels, reducing inflammation, and preventing heart disease. Here are some of the best cooking oils for a healthy heart. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the healthiest oils you can use for cooking. It contains monounsaturated fatty acids that help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. It is also high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that promote heart health. Avocado oil. Avocado oil is another healthy oil that is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids. It has a high smoke point, making it ideal for high-heat cooking methods like grilling and roasting. Avocado oil is also rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, which help protect the heart against oxidative stress. Canola oil. Canola oil is a popular cooking oil that is low in saturated fat and high in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. It contains alpha-linolenic acid, which is an omega-3 fatty acid that promotes heart health. Canola oil is also a good source of vitamin E, which has antioxidant properties. Coconut oil. Although it is high in saturated fat, coconut oil can be a healthy cooking oil if used in moderation. It contains lauric acid, which can help raise good cholesterol levels and reduce bad cholesterol levels. Coconut oil is also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that promote heart health. Walnut oil. Walnut oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. It also contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that promote cardiovascular health. Walnut oil has a low smoke point, making it ideal for salad dressings and other low-heat cooking methods. Flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil is another excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. It also contains lignans, which are antioxidants that help protect the heart against oxidative stress. Flaxseed oil has a low smoke point, making it ideal for salad dressings and other low-heat cooking methods. Grape seed oil. Grape seed oil is a good source of polyunsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. It also contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that promote heart health. Grapeseed oil has a high smoke point, making it ideal for high-heat cooking methods like sautéing and frying. In conclusion, choosing the right cooking oil is an important step towards maintaining a healthy heart. Incorporating the above-listed oils into your diet can help reduce the risk of heart disease and promote overall cardiovascular health. However, it is important to use these oils in moderation and in combination with a balanced diet and regular exercise for optimal heart health.